On today's adventure, we're going to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. We will be bringing you inside the Jambo House and their Kidani Village, giving you a full tour of this resort, showing you what the rooms are like, a fantastic grocery delivery service we utilized, tour all of the restaurants like Boma and Sanaa, along with animal viewing areas throughout Animal Kingdom Lodge, as there are so many different animals to see here, and both the pools at Jambo House and Kidani Village. Our hope is that this video helps anyone planning an upcoming trip to Animal Kingdom Lodge or simply would like to see what this unique Walt Disney World Resort is like. Let's get started in Jambo House, which first opened its doors in 2001. We'll be checking out Kidani Village that opened in 2009, hopefully answering later in the video which is better, Jambo House or Kidani Village. So we are now inside Jambo House lobby. It is a large, beautiful lobby. It always smells really nice. And we're about to use something we never have before.
Grocery delivery service with Magical Vacation Services. Scott was amazing. He brought our groceries right over to us, got them loaded up on our cart, and we headed on over to our room.
So we're going to show you everything that we got delivered, but first let's do a quick tour of the room. We were in 5549. Again, this is Jambo House.
This is going to be a lock-off room, a 2-bedroom lock-off, which is basically a 1-bedroom with a door to a studio that opens up. This is a little bit different than your typical 2-bedroom, but over here we've got our Disney coffee setup, full kitchen, full fridge, and right off the kitchen we have this nice closet with an iron and ironing board. Over here we have our table that we can sit at and enjoy meals. This is the living room. It was quite spacious, and both this couch and chair do pull out into a bed. We'll show you that couch in just a little bit. Over on the right we have our master bathroom. It is not technically connected to the master bedroom, but it's just across the hall. It's got a double sink, plenty of area to put all your things. You've got your water closet over here for privacy, and some great storage right here. Also, it has a nice big jetted tub with some really cute Lion King decorations in there on the tiles. Also, in this closet in the hallway here, we have a washer and a dryer, which comes in very handy. And here's a look at the master bedroom with a nice big king-size bed.
We were here for 7 days and never had any issues with comfort on this bed. I love the Simba and Nala up at the top of the bed. And right next to the bed, we have this little desk here you can utilize along with a mirror. But let's head to the back balcony to check out our view, which is technically not a savanna view, but we did get a great view at night of the fireworks, which was really nice to see.
So even though we weren't technically in a room that's a savanna view, we were able to see so many animals in the morning, and Hannah loved to come out and count how many zebras and giraffes were out there.
We would watch the caretakers open up this gate, and they would do a little parade for us every single morning, which was always so much fun to watch.
And now let's go ahead back into the living room where we've got the couch bed pulled out. You can see right there. And we're gonna go on over into the second bedroom, which is, again, technically a studio that's attached to a 1-bedroom because this is a lock-off unit. So this room has a little kitchenette with a mini fridge and a sink, another coffee maker, microwave, everything you could need right there, and a double sink, along with your standard bathroom with a tub. And every Disney resort does include shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here's a look at the studio room with a queen-sized bed and a couch that pulls out into another bed. And this room has its own balcony, as you can see. It does have a divider, just to note that, because this is the lock-off room, so they can technically be a 1-bedroom or a studio or put together to make a 2-bedroom.
Got this little table with chairs and a place to put all your clothing and some USB plugs. And let's take a closer look into here. You got a little place to put your luggage, extra pillow, blanket, some hangers. You do have a safe and an iron in here, but let's head back to the kitchen and unload our grocery delivery.
So we got our box of goodies, got our checklist.
We got duckies! Duckies!
As DVC members, we got these cute little cookies.
And some straws.
Some fun straws. What is this? Thank you so much for utilizing our service as a DVC member. We know you have many options. We are honored that you chose Magical Vacation Services.
Wait, look at
Let the adventure begin.
Nice.
Get out of here.
That's awesome.
I love it. Let's see what's inside. We got a fun little snack pack of
Ooh.
cookies, pretzels, and a bunch of yummy candies.
Ooh la la.
Bananas, mac and cheese. All of your cold items are packaged in cold packs. There's grapes, juice, milk, blueberries, and strawberries.
Diced potatoes.
Oh, look! They included some really cool cups.
Oh, I love those.
These are the bagels we got from a local bakery. And we got to pick out a bunch of different flavors.
We
You
got
can special order anything.
kombucha.
We got your kombuchas. Ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Now that Hannah got her bacon put away, let's talk about some of the restaurants here at Jambo House, starting with Boma. This was one of my favorite restaurants. This is a buffet that serves breakfast and dinner. We did a full breakdown on Boma. You can check that video out in the description. Right next to Boma, you would find Jinko. We actually have not been able to try this one out, but
We'll have to go there next time. It's definitely a more upscale and a little bit pricier restaurant.
so let us know if you've been to Jinko and what you think about it in the comments. Another option for food is the Mara, which is a quick service not too far from the pool that you can hop in and grab something. We utilized the Mara a number of times while we stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge.
Jambo does have a great gift shop called Zawadi, and let's go ahead and walk back and see what kind of snacks they have in the marketplace section.
They also have over here to the left a little place that you can get your own name created. Here's the pricing. But again, let's go look at some of the different snacks. They've got chips and donuts and cereal, soda, pizzas, Eggos. They do have bacon.
Ice cream, drinks, anything you could possibly want.
Now that we've gone over some of the food options here at Jambo House, we're gonna head outside. But before we do, I wanted to show you a little more of the lobby as we go across this bridge in the lobby, which is really cool for kids of all ages to come up here and walk on, take a picture on. It is just such a beautiful lobby here at Walt Disney World.
And as you walk out the back of Jambo, you can see they have a nice little fire pit sitting area. There's another fire area where they do s'mores in the evening. There are plenty of walkways and balconies to come out and look at all the animals.
This is probably one of the best parts about the Animal Kingdom Lodge is just the animals that are everywhere as you walk through hallways, peek out windows. You just never know what you'll see of God's beautiful creation, from ostriches to all sorts of zebras that we saw throughout the week, and of course, lots of beautiful tall giraffes.
Now let's head on over to the pool at the Jambo House, but before we do that, there is a small little kiddie pool if you have little ones that can just go in a little bit of depth and splash around. But here is the big 11,000 square foot main pool. It has a nice zero entry. It is a huge pool and it is heated. Disney heats all of their pools so you can swim here most of the year.
We were here in February and it was cold outside, but we still enjoyed this pool. But let's head out and go for a ride on their 67-foot long water slide. Here is a look at the hot tub that's located behind the slide. There are towels located throughout the pool area, which we enjoyed quite a bit while we stayed at the Animal Kingdom Lodge.
And over this way is the watering hole. This is like a little bar. They only have drinks. They do not serve any food, but there are lots of fun choices.
And back here on this side of the pool, you can always take your little ones and check out all these flamingos. And beyond the flamingos over here, you would find Hakuna Matata Playground, which has lots of different play elements around that the kids can utilize, along with lots of benches for mom and dad or grandma and grandpa.
And now let's head on over to Kidani Village, which is about a 10 to 15 minute walk from Jambo. Or if you don't want to walk, you can hop on one of the shuttles that comes about every 20 minutes.
So as we head inside the lobby, as I said earlier, this one is the newer of the two locations. This was built in 2009, so it's a little more updated than the Jambo House. They have a smaller little gift shop here in their lobby, and lots of viewing areas here as well. If you go down below the lobby, you would run into Sanaa, which is another restaurant that we got to enjoy. We did a full video showing their bread service, which is something we highly recommend. We also tried their buttered chicken. It's fantastic. You can check out our full video review of everything at Sanaa.
So let's head over to the Kidani splash area and pool. This is a really fun area for kids. They have slides, they have water guns, they have all kinds of water features for the kids to play in.
Yes, kids of all ages can play in this area, which has lots of shade. So if you ask me between Jambo House and Kidani, I feel like this one's a lot more little kid friendly. Lots of great theming and elements around, little areas for kids with shallow water, and this whole little kind of playground area that the kids can walk through and have fun with some different slides and elements to play in here at Kidani Village. So here is a look at the pool at Kidani Village. Not as big as Jambo House, but they do have a great slide. Here comes Hannah down the slide and Micah right behind her. And here comes Mama, there's Brie, going down the slide. So now it's your turn. Let's head up to the top and let you ride down the slide.
So if you're not up for the big slide, they do have this little slide you can come and go down. We had a great time just splashing around and enjoying all the features of the Kidani pool. There's Ryan and Micah saying hi. They do have a bar food area, the MAJI, over here. Lots of different choices of drinks and some entrees, which we wanted to try. Here's a look at the kids' ham sandwich, which actually came in a pita, a pretzel with cheese sauce, and the short rib grilled cheese, which was delicious.
Next to the pool, they have Survival of the Fittest, which has some restrooms back here. If you are looking for a place to work out, it's open 24 hours a day with quite a selection of different machines that you can utilize. But that wraps up our look at Kidani Village. The question is, when it comes to Animal Kingdom Lodge, which would you prefer, Jambo House or Kidani Village? What do you think, Brie?
Well, honestly, you can't go wrong with either. It's just a matter of what fits your family better. If you're looking at Kidani, you're looking at a quieter place. They do have the standard 2-bedroom if you prefer that over the lock-off. They also supposed to have better savanna views by many people who've stayed there. And they have that amazing kids splash area that really you can't beat if you have little kids. However, I gotta say, I prefer the Jambo House. Even with the 2-bedroom lock-off, that's fine for me. I really like their giant lobby. It's just so grand. I love their gift shop with all the wonderful things to shop at. I love being close to the quick service of Mara, and I just feel like it's a bit more energetic over there. And that giant pool, you really can't beat that. But again, it depends. Do you want a quieter vacation or something with a little more action?
Utilizing the grocery delivery was great. We highly recommend checking out Magical Vacations. I'll put a link to their website down in the description so you can use them at any resort in the area. If you found this video helpful, do us a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and let us know in the comments if you've ever stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge and what your thoughts are on it down in the comments so we can talk about it some more. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next adventure.